Okay. This is for the Performance Award for the Best Woman of 2015. And it goes to Paige Alms.
Up here. Right? You can't see anyone? I had a little list of people to thank on a note down there and I didn't remember to bring it up here, so please forgive me if I forget anyone. This is a real honor for me. I can't believe that I'm among the list of all these amazing women that were nominated tonight. I know we're missing a few, probably due to that swell that's down south. Anyways, just want to congratulate all the other women that were pushing the limits of women surfing this year, not just in big wave surfing, but we did an awesome project, the Big Wave Girls, that wrapped up in December at Mavericks. And it was the Wicker project. Thank you guys for putting on that event. It was so special to be a part of. And anyways, just want to thank my mom.